What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Drew Drives. Today we're going for a drive in this 2021 Lexus ES 350. This vehicle is powered by a 3.5 liter V6 with 301 horsepower and 267 pound-feet of torque, mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission. So very classic Lexus ES sedan right here. Really nice interior in this one, actually. So this is just like a base ES 350. I believe I made a video on an ES 350 F Sport from this model year before, but I didn't make a video on the regular one. So here we are. It has like this really nice like caramel brown interior. I don't know what it's exactly called, but it looks great. It's like two-tone brown, on like half of the door is brown and the other half is like, or dark brown, the other half's light brown. It's really, really nice. I love brown interiors, so I like this one. I mean, it also has a brown steering wheel. That's a little interesting. I probably would prefer a black steering wheel, but either way, it looks good. It's like a chocolate, two-tone chocolate interior. That's how I would describe this. You have a digital gauge cluster, drive mode selector up here. You have normal, comfort, or normal, eco, and sport modes. You have a reverse camera. It's controlled using this Lexus touchpad. I don't think this one has a touchscreen. Nope, it doesn't. So yeah, it looks like you have Apple CarPlay. I'm not sure about Android Auto though, with that phone projection feature, and that's basically what that means. Pretty decent center console storage actually, and pretty standard Lexus key fob. I really like the door handles in these Lexus. This is like the same door handles you'll find in an LC500 or an LS500. Here's your sunroof, and even the headliner's brown. Very interesting. Paddle shifters. So you have cruise control, or that, and then lane keep assist. And yeah, white exteriors with brown interiors always look good to me, and this is no different. You have the Lexus spindle grille. Those are like those are your daytime running lights on Lexus. The wheels are a little bit small on this car, but it makes sense because it's like the base model ES 350. And here are the rear seats. Pretty decent legroom it looks like, and you also have AC vents for the passengers. That's always a nice thing. ES 350 badge on the back, dual outlet exhaust. I'm trying to figure out how I can open this. There we go. Here's a trunk, pretty good space back there. I like that. Yeah, good looking car. Very standard design. The ES 350 has, the Lexus ES has always had a very subtle styling. The new one that just came out, the new ES, I'm not the biggest fan of it. I feel like the popularity on these on this generation ES is gonna only keep increasing, because the new one is very polarizing with the electric model and the weird design, and the interior just looks like an electric car interior. I don't like it at all personally. You know, the Lexus ES has had a very loyal following for many, many years. Many Lexus ES owners just keep buying ESs and keep trading them in, you know what I mean? And leasing new ones. But pre-owned Lexus ES sedans like this one are always extremely popular used vehicles at any car dealership in the country. Nice sounding engine. Can't go wrong with the naturally aspirated V6 ever. I love the way Lexus, you know, Lexus 3.5 V6 sounds. You definitely have some torque steer in this thing, that's for sure. But this is a very smooth ride. This car is definitely not sporty by any means. It's supposed to be a very luxurious cruising car, but obviously I like to test the limits on a car under hard acceleration to see how it reacts. But yeah, like even in sport mode, it's just very smooth and just very quiet is the way I would describe this car. Just very simple of a ride. But if you want a sportier ride in the ES, you can get an F Sport with the upgraded suspension and everything. very quiet and very nice. And this car is 76,000 miles, and it still feels great. Like, it feels really, really nice. Like, I wouldn't be able to tell this car is 76,000 miles, like, right, like if I was just asked that and I didn't know, and I couldn't see the odometer. But yeah, the seats are really comfortable. Visibility is really good for a sedan. I don't really see any obstruction in my view, so it's nice. I like the support the bottom seat cushion gives. The seats are plush, very comfy leather. Yeah, I'm impressed with the comfort of this car. See the turning, nice. The steering does feel well weighted. It doesn't feel vague or too light. It feels pretty good actually. Like, it's like nice and stiff when you want it to be, like a sharp turn or around a corner. So yeah, good responsiveness in the steering. I like this trim right here. It's quite interesting, that's for sure. Like a polished look on the volume knob. So yeah, some of the touch materials, like touch points in this car, are nice. Like, I love the metal handles. I love this brushed metal look. So yeah, has some upscale finishes in here. It's a nice sounding engine. Sounds like a healthy V6. Okay, that's what I was looking for on the camera. I was wondering why the dynamic guidelines weren't appearing, but I saw that you have to press a button to do that. So that makes it a lot better. But overall, really nice Lexus ES350. Drove exactly how I expected it would. It's a comfortable car, and, you know, very simple formula for the Lexus ES that Lexus has been following for many years. These are great pre-owned vehicles, very nice to drive, good looking cars, and you know Lexus's reliability. So can't really go wrong with this car if you're looking for a pre-owned luxury sedan. But thanks as always for watching another video of Dhruv Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grub's family dealerships in the description below if you like to shop for a wide variety of nice pre-owned vehicles like this Lexus ES350.